In this video, we are going to be using the SAS Viya MCP server that is open source and available today to give access for an agent to help us predict malignant cancer diagnoses off of this open source dataset. For this, we are going to be working inside of Claude Cowork, where we will ask with a simple prompt to help us build. Now, we have already connected our SAS Viya MCP server to this environment, and we have set it to act without asking so that we can run through this demo end to end. Now, in here, we have our local dataset. So Claude has identified that it should progress through connecting to SAS Viya and then move through the phases of the analytical lifecycle. First up, starting with uploading the dataset into SAS Viya and then profiling it using SAS Data Governance, where we can review the asset and dive deeper. Then it's going ahead and building a SAS Model Studio project for us, where it automatically set the target variable and is using automated machine learning to construct a pipeline, and it's monitoring that process for us behind the scenes. Now it's coming back to us with the results and also asking us to review this before it's getting published. We're going to go into our pipeline and review the results of our champion model here. We can go through the node details and the assessment charts where we have natural language explaining the results. Next, we are going to publish this interactively in here, where we'll push it to the SAS mass environment, which opens up an API surface through which the model will be available, so we can easily give it back to Claude so it can test the model out and also build an interactive application that we can easily make use of and then share with our colleagues, for example, or build further processes on top of. Now, I just provided it with the name that it was published as, and now it's going to check that the model is actually available for it, test the API surface that is published here, and then create the little cockpit for us to review and interact with for us. It's going to open this up to the side inside of Claude Cowork here, but again, this is an asset that is reusable and can be taken into other places where we can work with it and make use of it however we see fit. Or not even use it as an interactive application, but just use the API. We also get deep links to the governed assets inside of SAS Data Governance and also the Model Studio project up top here.